Are you aspiring poultry enthusiast or an upcoming poultry farmer with dreams of venturing into the commercial poultry farming? If so, you're embarking on a rewarding journey that promises numerous opportunities and successes. As a veterinarian specializing in poultry care at Lamwa Vetcare, I am delighted to guide you through the initial steps of starting your poultry farm and explain why Lamwa Vetcare Consultancy services are the ideal partner for your investment. You've been taken through the video by Vet Mwangi of Lamwa Vetcare Poultry Department. The initial flock. How many chickens should you start with? Yes, that's a very frequent question that I get from farmers and poultry investors, potential poultry investors. When establishing a poultry farm, one of the first critical decisions you make is determining the size of your initial flock. The number of chickens you should start with largely depends on your resources, goals, and available space. Taking these factors into account is essential to ensure a successful and sustainable venture. Number one, assess your resources. Before diving into poultry farming, assess the resources at your disposal. Evaluate your financial capacity, time, commitment, and expertise. Poultry farming requires consistent care and attention. So be realistic upon or about your ability to handle the workload. Number two, consider your space. The available space on your farm will determine the maximum number of chicken you can rear. It's crucial to provide sufficient space for the birds to move and thrive comfortably. Overcrowding can lead to stress, disease outbreaks, and reduced productivity, which I bet that is not one of the things that you were supposed, your intention before starting the venture. Set clear goals. Outline your objectives for the farm. Are you looking for a steady supply of eggs? Do you want to raise broilers for meat production? Different poultry farming purposes require varying number of birds. Determine your market demand and the scale of your operation accordingly. So, not to get into the venture and don't know where to take your product. Start small, scale gradually. If you're a beginner in poultry farming, it is advisable to start small and expand gradually. This approach allows you to gain valuable experience, learn from potential mistakes, and fine-tune your management practices. And by so doing, you'll be a big fish in the poultry industry. Poultry houses have a Lamwa veterinarian come design for you your poultry house, where with the right poultry structure you'll minimize vet visits, weighing into antibiotics, which is not the case, and by so doing you'll minimize your cost of production. And now Why choose Lamwa Vetcare Consultancy Services? As you embark on your poultry farming journey, having a reliable and experienced consultancy service on your side is invaluable. At Lamwa Vetcare, we pride ourselves on being the go-to experts in poultry care and management. Here's why you can't trust us with your poultry expertise or your poultry investment. Number one, expertise. Our team of veterinarians, including myself, Vet Mwangi Laban, are highly qualified and experienced in poultry health and management. We stay up to date with the latest advancement in the poultry industry to provide the best service and support. Two, tailored solution. We understand that every poultry farm is unique and a one size fits all approach won't yield the best results. Our consultancy services are personalized to suit your specific needs and goals, ensuring optimal outcomes for your farm. At Lamwa Vetcare, we emphasize preventive care to safeguard your flock from potential diseases and health issues. Our proactive approach can help minimize and maximize the productivity of your poultry farm. Comprehensive services. From farm planning and biosecurity measures to nutrition and vaccination schedules, our consultancy services from farm planning and biosecurity measures to nutrition and vaccination schedules, our consultancy services cover all aspects of poultry farming. You can rely on us as a one-stop solution for your poultry needs. In conclusion, venture into poultry farming as it's an exciting and a profitable endeavor. Start with the right number of chicken is vital to success. Remember to assess your resources, space, goals, and consider starting small before scaling up. As Vet Mwangi of Lamwa Vetcare Poultry Department, I assure you that our consultancy services are your trusted partner for your poultry investment. With our expertise and personalized solutions, we will help you achieve your commercial poultry farming aspirations while ensuring the health and well-being of your flock. Happy farming, and see you in our next video.